Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a chilly Melbourne morning, just about 8 a.m. and I'm starting my day with a peaceful walk across this breeze. You can see this beautiful view. It looks really beautiful, wonderful. And also the traffic is pretty smooth, so you can also walk easily. If you want to go somewhere for a ride, this is the good time that you can go anywhere. You can probably see the fog hanging low over the Yarra River behind me. It's got that soft, dreamy look that makes Melbourne morning feel so special. The air is crisp, and here you can see people are walking. You will see a lot of early risers here, people running, cycling, enjoying the river views. This is one of my favorite things about Melbourne. Even though it's a busy city, it feels so alive and refreshing in the morning. Alright, we are at Crown now. That's Melbourne's famous entertainment and resort complex. If you're new to Melbourne, Crown is like a world of its own. There's a luxury hotel, a massive casino, shopping, high-end restaurants, and some of the city's best nightlife. But even during the day, like right now, in the quiet morning, it's worth coming. You can come here, you can just enjoy the view of the river and take a slow walk. Let's take a moment here. You can see how calm the Yarra River looks like now, with just a couple of rowers out practicing in the distance. There are birds everywhere, seagulls mostly, and you will occasionally spot black swans if you're lucky. The river adds this peaceful energy to Melbourne, and I love that Crown sits right along it. So now that I am at Crown, let me give you a quick tour. The building itself is huge, one of the biggest casino complex in the world. Actually, even if you are into gambling, this is a spot you will probably want to visit while in Melbourne because of its luxury vibe, the food scene, and the incredible city views. At night, this place comes alive with lights, fire, so along in the river, and a buzzing crowd. So I will try to make a video in the night.
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day.
If you are like me and enjoy avoiding crowds, this is the best time to come at 8 a.m. It's cold, quiet, and you will get to see a completely different side of Melbourne. No flashing lights yet, no weekend rush, just calm street and the sound of your footstep on the breeze. So that's my little morning adventure here in Melbourne, starting with a walk over the breeze and ending up here at Crown by Yarra River. This is honestly one of the best way to see the city, waking up peaceful, scenic, and a reminder of how beautiful Melbourne really is. I'm going to grab a hot coffee now, enjoy this view a little longer. Have a good day, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching my video.
Under